I'll be replacing our Limo Green's cabin air filter with a activated carbon filter as well as a PM 2.5 filter. So to remove this, we need to remove the glove box. So there are locks on the sides, so we just have to twist that counterclockwise to release, and then we can remove that down. But first off, we'll remove that string on the side. That's like a spring holding on to your glove box, so that it will slowly open. Next, that's the case for our air filter, so we need to remove that. So release that tab on the side, but there are also tabs on each sides, so it's quite hard to remove. Then that's the cover of the air filter, so it's also have a latch on the side, and it can be easily removed from there and pull out the old air filter. So this is the standard installed air filter. It's just plain air filter, which we can smell smoke if the air circulation is disabled. So this is the one I replaced. So on top is the carbon air filter, while this one is the PM 2.5 filter on below. So air coming from the outside starts from the top, then goes to the inside via the blower. So just insert that back, make sure it fits, and then replace the cover. So replace the other cover, and then place the glove box, but pull the string out so that you can hook it up, and then check if it locks properly before placing the stopper on the sides. Alright guys, thank you for watching and keep safe.